Dull skin can make you look tired, older, and sometimes even unhealthy. But the truth is, with the right products and habits, you can get that healthy, luminous glow without spending thousands on treatments. So let's talk about exactly what works and why. Hey, beautiful people. If you're new, welcome to, and if you're returning, welcome back to the Minister of Beauty channel, where I share the Bible that's business inspiration, beauty, life, and enjoyment. I am a licensed esthetician, and I'm also a skincare line creator and a beauty business owner and operator of many years now. And if you want to find out more about me, definitely go to my websites. The links are in the description. But listen, if your skin has been looking a little dull lately, no worries. Today, I'm going to help you glow it up with the best ingredients and an easy skincare routine so your face looks radiant, attractive, and youthful. All right, so first let's get into the why. Why does skin get dull in the first place? So we've got to understand some of those common causes, which are a buildup of dead skin cells on the surface of your skin, dehydration, and that's when your skin lacks the moisture from the inside out. Lack of circulation, meaning not enough blood flow to bring nutrients to your skin. And hey, there may be some habits that you may have in your life that aren't the healthiest that could be causing a constricted flow of oxygen to your skin and blood flow that brings the nutrients to your skin. And one of those habits is smoking. And so, hey, it's just one of those things that it's really not that great for your skin, even if there may be some benefits of the green herb, if you know what I mean. And sun damage and environmental factors can definitely cause dullness to your skin. So when these things pile up, your skin loses the ability to be as bright as it can be and giving your skin that fresh, healthy look. So let's get into these ingredients, guys, and these are the powerhouse skincare ingredients you need for your skin to bring that glow back if you used to have it and you're missing out on it, or you just never had it. It's possible to achieve it, guys. So let's get into these ingredients. So first on the list is vitamin C. This helps to brighten your skin. It helps to fight free radicals that are in the environment, and also evens out skin tone. And using a serum in the morning under your SPF is highly recommended. And I also recommend using vitamin C at night as well. In the Inez Elizabeth Beauty skincare line, I have a few different products that are power packed with vitamin C. You can definitely check out the Reverse Reveal Serum as well as the Glow Luxe C Plus Serum. The Reverse Reveal Serum is lighter in texture. The Glow Luxe C Plus Serum, it has a thicker consistency, but both are absolutely amazing, and these are killer products and a few of the best sellers in the product line as well. Next on the list is niacinamide, and this ingredient helps to minimize pores. It helps to strengthen the skin barrier as well as smooth the texture of your skin, and it's great for both day and night application. So using this product in form of a serum or a cream is definitely going to help work wonders for your skin. And I have to mention one of the products in the Inez Elizabeth Beauty skincare line, the Purifying Plump Serum. It contains this ingredient, and I love using this serum at nighttime, guys, but you can use it for both day and night as well. Next up is hyaluronic acid, and this ingredient is amazing. It draws moisture into your skin to keep it plump and hydrated. It holds 1,000 times its weight in water. A little bit goes a long way, and it's perfect for after cleansing and before your moisturizer. The Brighten Up Serum is one of the most popular products in the Inez Elizabeth Beauty skincare line that contains this ingredient. And there are a few other products in the skincare line that contains hyaluronic acid as well, because it really is such an amazing ingredient. It works wonders for the skin, and I definitely highly recommend it and use it all of the time. So we definitely cannot talk about glowing the skin up and removing dullness without exfoliation, right? So alpha hydroxy acids and beta hydroxy acids like glycolic acid or salicylic acid, and these ingredients are better known as AHAs or BHAs for short. But these gently exfoliate dead skin cells to reveal the fresher skin layers. So using these 1 to 3 times per week, depending on your skin's tolerance and the issues that you are having with your skin, is recommended. And then we have peptides. Peptides help to boost the collagen for a firmer and more youthful look for your skin. Collagen is what gives your skin that bounce, and I like to say peptides help you to look like you've got a little pep in your step, making you look energetic and refreshed. And these ingredients, guys, they are not trends or gimmicks. They're clinically proven to work when used consistently. But that is the key, consistency. So now let's talk about the routine that I recommend for glowing skin. So in the morning, when you want to make sure you're using a gentle cleanser, one is recommended for your skin type and your skin issues. Using a vitamin C serum, a lightweight moisturizer with hyaluronic acid, or a serum that contains a hyaluronic acid before applying your moisturizer. And then you want to make sure that you're applying your sunscreen. I recommend at least an SPF of 30. Then in the evening, I would recommend doing a double cleanse, especially if you wear makeup. But even if you don't, like I typically do not wear makeup, I still like to use a double cleanser. So the first oil is a pre-cleanse. First cleanser, I meant to say, is a cleanser, and it's usually an oil-based cleanser. And then I'm using the cleanser that I choose for my skin type. And then I'm applying a serum with niacinamide and or peptides, and then applying the moisturizer. And I like to use the Light and Lifted Face and Eye Gel, which is a product that I can use all over the face and especially around the eyes, because you want to make sure you're also using a product that will focus on the skin around your eyes as well. And then using an alpha hydroxy or beta hydroxy acid based product 2 to 3 times per week at night instead of your serum, or depending on your skin type and tolerance, you can use in conjunction with the serums of your choice. But here's the thing, don't forget your neck, your chest area, and even the backs of your hands, guys. They tell your age just as much as your face, sometimes more. And just don't forget this. Your skin doesn't glow from products alone. It also is about your lifestyle. So drinking plenty of water, getting enough sleep, doing your best to manage the stress that is in your life, because face it, we all have to deal with it, and eating antioxidant rich foods. And listen, I don't judge anyone, but if you are using some products in your life to calm down your stress, and it includes puffing and or gummies, if you get my drift, you want to cut back on those things as well, because honestly, they are not the best for your skin either. And trust me, your skin will thank you from the inside out. And we can't forget consuming alcohol, because I get it. Sometimes people feel like they need a drink or two to calm that stress down, but it really is not the best for your health. Try to do things that are not just going to take your mind off of your stress. Try to incorporate things in your life that are going to help you to work through the stress and hopefully overcome the stressors. Because drinking alcohol and smoking or chewing gummies, they're not going to take your problems away. Let's just face it. But again, no judgment. Okay, guys, so here's the deal. To my beautiful people, glowing skin is not a one-day miracle. It is a result of you making small, consistent steps that build up over time. So which of these ingredients are you already using, and which will you add to your routine? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Because over here, I'm not just talking beauty, I'm living it. And I want to share that with you guys. So, again, I am Elizabeth, the Minister of Beauty, and I share the Bible. That's business inspiration, beauty, life, and enjoyment. So, until the next time, I hope and pray you have an amazingly blessed and beautiful day.